Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, March 23rd. Stocks on Wall Street opened lower as crude oil hovers around $105 a barrel. Prices jumped yesterday amid U.S. and Europe-led airstrikes against Muammar Gaddafi's forces in Libya and increasing tensions in Yemen and Syria. Continued concerns about the situation in Japan are also acting as a weight on the markets. A report that Tokyo drinking water contains higher than allowed levels of radioactive iodine dragged Japanese stocks down about 1.7% overnight.
Those fears are pushing U.S. Treasury prices up today. Treasuries are also getting a boost from concerns that Portugal may need a bailout from the European Union and International Monetary Fund. Portugal's government has proposed austerity measures that could reduce the country's deficit to 2% of GDP within the next 2 years. But the parliament is expected to reject that plan, and Portugal's prime minister said he will resign if that happens. That would leave the country without a governing mandate and likely force it to access the European Financial Stability Facility, created to rescue failing Eurozone economies. Greece and Ireland previously accepted bailouts from the fund.
Financial stocks may be in focus today after the Federal Reserve rejected an increase in Bank of America's quarterly dividend. The company said it submitted a plan for a modest increase as part of the government's second round of bank stress tests. Several other banks that received federal aid during the financial crisis have gotten approval for dividend hikes recently. Bank of America said it will continue to work with the Fed in hopes of boosting its dividend for the second half of this year. Right now, Bank of America is dropping about 1.5% on the news. Meanwhile, Discover Financial Services is jumping nearly 3%. The credit card company swung to a profit in the latest quarter versus a loss in the same period a year ago. The results were better than analysts expected.
Another sector that may see heavy trading today is technology. After yesterday's closing bell, Adobe Systems reported an 84% jump in fiscal first quarter profit, thanks to strong demand for its design and document software. But Adobe also cut its forecast for the current quarter due to the natural disasters in Japan, its second biggest customer. Shares of Adobe are falling more than 4% on the news. But moving in the opposite direction is Jabil Circuit. The chipmaker is jumping more than 8% after its profit nearly doubled in the latest quarter, topping expectations. After today's closing bell, we'll get quarterly results from Jabil's rival Micron Technology and software firm Red Hat.
Finally, we're watching shares of General Mills. The food products company posted an 18% increase in net profit, roughly in line with estimates. General Mills also affirmed its earnings forecast for the full year, but investors may have been hoping for more. Right now, the stock is losing nearly 3%. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.